use the small CreaClip. And we're going to put your head forward. We're going to comb all the hair like this. Gather in one section, like that. And now, so I'll show you a couple different ways. You can clip it in the middle and then pull it up, and we're going to trim the top part. That's just going to keep the length layered. Now, if you want to make it the front long, then you would comb it all the way back. I'll get you bend forward. Yeah. So if you want the front to be long, comb it and clip it further back, like that. And then just trim back. That way, then when you can see when you turn it back, see the front part is further back here. That makes it longer in the front. However, we're gonna do the layered look, so that's why we didn't do it in the middle. So it makes it super easy because you just gather it all in one shot, clips it together in one place, and then you can cut just like this. So while you're, doing self-isolation, quarantine at home, you can actually trim your hair with the CreaClip, which actually a lot of people are doing right now. If you can, I'll post a lot of these before and afters for you guys to see. So there, it has the level. Make sure the level's in the middle, and you're gonna pull it straight up. We're gonna trim a little bit more because you're gonna be 14 days, so it's not super long. So I like to cut it in an angle like this. That way it's more soft and textured. Okay, that's all you do. And the great thing about the CreaClip is that you can always go back and cut more if you need. If you want to make it a little bit shorter, so then you can cut it, see how it falls, and if you want to go back, trim a little bit, you can do so. And so let's just see what it looks like now. See? It's all layered in the back. So that makes it super easy for my cousin to do this at home. He can just shave it with the number 2, number 1. It just blends right in, and then just trim the top part. It's super easy to maintain this haircut while he's in quarantine. That's the CreaClip cut, everybody. So I'm gonna post some before and after pictures for you. So that's CreaProducts.com. Day 7 quarantine here in Hawaii, and he's flying home to Canada, all ready to go. Perfect. Let's spin you around one more time just to show you the back. Yeah, see that? So if you want a little shorter, you can go ahead and just trim again. I always recommend cut an inch off each time and just check. There you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that's CreaClip.
What's it? I ain't going to my barber anytime soon, so this is a treat for me. My hair will be nice and good by the time I get home.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut his hair, that way it lasts for those 14 days, because all the shops are closed, the salons are closed, so we can't get his hair cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clip the hair away, because I'm gonna shave the back a bit, just kind of clean this up. So if you guys have a trimmer at home, this is what I normally do. I put a level 2 guard, and then it's a little bit easier with the the guard. So on the number 1 guard.